Now, one thing that you won't really need to think about too much is shades. Now, the one place that I could really suggest for you guys to buy shades if you don't want to buy in Shopee that is still really nice, the quality is nice, is Sunnies. Now, their prices range from 499 and above. I don't know if they have a 350, but their Sunnies are really, really nice. There's so many styles that you could choose from for your mom. And there are also different kind of shades that are like, you know, the tough shades or the pastel ones. Also like glasses that are like for, you know, style only. Then you could give them that if they're that kind of person who likes wearing those. Then the next one is a nice watch. Now, this is classic, like these are typical kind of gifts that you're actually going to suggest. But this watch, I want to suggest a watch that has been a nice rave in Shopee lately. It's affordable, it's not that high of a price, but it still looks classic and beautiful. And I don't think your mom is going to put it in the water like that. So I'm not sure yet about the tarnish type, but if you don't put it in the water, then I think it'll be safe. So it's Olev. I'll try to link it down below, and I'll try to show pictures of some of the watches. They have really, really nice watch, and there's so many styles that you can pick for any type of your mom. But if your mom is not that type with the like jewelry type of watches, then try to get them a smartwatch. I'm sure they'll really appreciate that and they will really like it. And of course, it also checks your BP, you know, for the older mothers there. So I think they'll appreciate it. And plus, what's this, smartwatches actually are very classic right now. A lot of them with plain colors. But again, think about a color that will actually be nice for your mom. It doesn't have to be black. I know a lot of people just go to is black, but try to, you know, think about what they like if they'll really appreciate the black color. Next, we're going to two classic things are actually chocolates and flowers. Now, flowers is like, I got flowers actually for Mother's Day, and I want you guys to think about what flower your mom will actually appreciate. Think about like if your mom likes lilies, then get them lilies. If your mom likes sunflowers, then get them a sunflower. And it doesn't have to be like a bouquet. But if you have the money to get them a bouquet, then why not? And those people in Manila, try to go to Dangwa. Honestly, you'll get good prices for bouquet flowers if you really want to get them bouquet flowers. Then the next one is chocolate. Another classic gift is chocolate. I think this is something that is very typical but also appreciated. It's not only on Valentine's Day. Mothers like chocolate even more so than, you know, typical like generally girls. Mothers like chocolate. And I want you guys to think about what special chocolate your mother really, really likes and get that for them. Instead of just like people buy them Hershey's and then just give it to them. Unless your mother likes that. I personally love Hershey's. So yeah, if I'm going to pick a very expensive chocolate, probably Lind. The Lind chocolate, I really, really like. It's really delicious. Specifically the one in the blue packaging and the yellow packaging. I think those are the two that I really, really like. But actually I still really like Hershey's and dark chocolate or the milk chocolate. The dark chocolate I tend to eat less because the taste of it is like not too addicting, but the milk chocolate, yes, I'm very addicted to it. But if you're gonna give them like chocolate like that, then try to, you know, customize it, put it in like a pretty ribbon or like a nice packaging, and then maybe a little note just to show them how much you appreciate them. That kind of thing is really nice, and it will be very, very appreciated by your mom. Then the last one, this one is something that I'm addicted to, is actually plush blankets. Now your mom is not gonna say it, but they will really like plush blankets. And if your mom doesn't like plush blankets, throw blankets are great because it will make it look nice for their home. So shout out to other people. I love throw blankets, hence this one. But this is actually just an ordinary blanket that I created into a throw blanket. But yeah, plush blankets are really nice. Plush blankets are like the soft kind of furry things. I would suggest checking in Surplus. They have really nice plush blankets that are nice, and or plush like fleecy blankets. Those are really nice. There's also a couple of them in SNR that I would really suggest you guys look into, but I haven't really gone to SNR for quite a while. It's just actually suggested by my other relatives. But yeah, fleece blankets. I would also link down fleece blankets that are on Shopee that are affordable also. Think about also a color that they're going to appreciate or they're going to really like. Maybe a favorite color that they like. Because maybe your mom doesn't like pink, and then you gave them pink blankets, which is not going to, make sense, and they won't be able to use it. So yeah, that's about the gifts that I would suggest for you guys for Mother's Day. Now, it's not too late. Mother's Month is, I would say, Mother's Month actually, or Mother's Day is like every day, you appreciate your mom like that. So yeah, Mother's Day this month, Mother's Month. And yeah, I hope you guys gift your mom and, show them a little appreciation. Maybe cook them breakfast, that kind of thing. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!